There isn't a drop in my whiskey still bottle. Okay, and then there's another line in the chorus. Deur, riamn, aona. Again, there is inversion. So it will be riamn, Deur, riamn, aona. And but here's Deur, riamn, riamn, aona. So there has never been a drop in. Deur, riamn, riamn, aona. So there has never been a drop in it. So, okay, so we come to shortened words. So this is a question, should be avel, Deur, idir, aona. But it wouldn't fit with the tune, therefore it's el, Deur, idir, aona. So we lost han, and it just starts with el. El, Deur, idir, aona. Okay, is there a drop at all? Okay, and these are just the 3 lines with words that are in the chorus. Just the 3 lines, really, plus the vocables, and they repeat. Okay. So we're on to verses now. So this is the start of the first verse. Should be an, cuala, sibh, mhòr, bhròg, còir, Sgiobalta. That's a question. And cuala, sibh, mhòr, bhròg, còir, Sgiobalta. Did you hear about young Dòmhnall, who was kind and nimble? Second line is similar. Again, an, cuala, sibh, mhòr, bhròg. So actually almost everything is similar apart from the last word. So an, cuala, sibh, mhòr, bhròg, còir, bòidheach. So bòidheach is the only different word in this line. Okay. So these are the 2 lines of the first verse. So bòidheach means handsome in this case, or beautiful. Did you hear about young Dòmhnall, who was kind and handsome? Okay, and this is the last line of the first verse. Sgiobalta bhróg, leis and t-seana, chòta. Okay, so again it should be bhróg, Sgiobalta. It's inversion, so Sgiobalta is here to fit the tune. And here is another word which is slightly different from what you would see in the regular text. So they added a, it should be chòta, and they added a just to fit the tune better. Okay. Dòmhnall was nimble with the old coat on. Okay. So that is the last line of the first verse. We are now on to the second verse. Okay, again it's the same pattern. So 2 first lines are only different a little bit. Nuair a thèid, dul, leis an t-sliabh, fiadhaich, ruitheas. So the last word will be different in the second line. So nuair a thèid, dul, leis an t-sliabh, fiadhaich, ruitheas. Join later. So while Dòmhnall goes up the hill, he runs wild. Okay, so next one. This is the only different part. Nuair a thèid, dul, leis an t-sliabh, fiadhaich, agus. agam, let's say. So Pala means go. When Donald goes up the hill, he goes wild. In English, it has double meaning, which I don't know, which was probably intended somehow. Yeah, so he goes wild. That was the idea. Okay, and then the last line of the second verse, which is also the last line. Yes, we just repeat the chorus all the time after each verse. So Dòmhnall riamn agus aona bhròg. Again, they added a here to fit the tune better. So Dòmhnall riamn agus aona bhròg. So last time it was coat. This time, so Donald is as wild as a deer with one shoe on. So that's it. That's all the words. Not a lot of words. But obviously in Port-a-beul we repeat them over and over and over again. Okay. Went out individual words. Yeah? Do it that way. So Deur, dh'fhalbhas, phig, agam.
Deur, phig, agam.
What does Deur mean?
Deur means drop. Means dropper. It can also mean tear. This one, try again. Deur, dh'fhalbhas, phig, agam.
Deur, phig, agam.
Clever. Okay, let's do this one. Deur, riamn, aona.
Deur, riamn, aona.
Deur, riamn, aona. Okay, let's try again this one. Deur, riamn, aona.
Deur, riamn, aona.
Clever. Okay, let's on to the next one. El Deur, idir, aona.
El Deur, idir, aona.
To fit the tune. So let's try again. El Deur, idir, aona.
El Deur, idir, aona.
Clever. Everybody's happy with this one? We are done with the chorus. On to the first verse. Okay, we're going to split this sentence as it is split in the Port-a-beul. Okay, so we're going to deal with up to there for now. Cuala, sibh, og.
Cuala, sibh, og.
Clear. Ava, còir, Sgiobalta.
Ava, còir, Sgiobalta.
Clear. Okay, so cuala should be cuala, but they lost an A to fit the tune better. Cuala, it's, well, to hear is a regular verb. Mari will know about that. And it's a question form of it. So about, means about. And then còir means kind, and Sgiobalta means nimble. Okay, right, let's try it again. Cuala, sibh, og.
Cuala, sibh, og.
Ava, còir, Sgiobalta.
Ava, còir, Sgiobalta.
Everybody's okay with this one? Okay, well, the next one is nearly the same. Okay, I will just deal with, well, since we have already done this one, I will deal with this part after a. Ava, còir, bòidheach.
Ava, còir, bòidheach.
Don't forget the long vowels. They are really important for the tune. Okay, so it actually sits on long vowels, this line. So roll, og, ava, còir, bòidheach.
Ava, còir, bòidheach.
Okay, so bòidheach means handsome, and còir means kind. Already know that. Okay, everybody's okay with this one? Good, good. And on to the last line of the first verse. And you already know a few words here. Sgiobalta, bhádheach, og. Stop there.
Sgiobalta, bhádheach, og.
Leis and t-seana, chòta.
Leis and t-seana, chòta.
Okay, so you already know this word, Sgiobalta, nimble, leis and t-seana, chòta. With, leis means with the old coat. Okay, remember that old coat without the A, but they added the A for the tune. Okay. Right, let's try the whole sentence again. Sgiobalta, bhádheach, og, leis and t-seana, chòta.
Sgiobalta, bhádheach, og, leis and t-seana,
chòta.
Chòta. Okay, chòta. Everybody's happy with this one? We're on to the second verse. Okay, very good. Again, I will split the sentence, just as it is actually split in Port-a-beul as well. So I'll stop where the first part of it is in the Port-a-beul. Nuair dòl, leis and t-sliabh. Nuair dòl, leis and t-sliabh. So you don't pronounce the S in this word. So leis and t-sliabh. So you just do T.
t-sliabh.
Fiadhaich arias e.
Fiadhaich arias e.
Okay, so H is another irregular verb. In future tense is go. So when he goes, it's future tense in Gaelic, but in English it's present. It's just the way Gaelic works. I wouldn't go into depth of it here. Okay. So rish and t-sliabh, up the hill. So up the hill. Rish and t-sliabh. So t-sliabh is hill. Rish and t-sliabh. Fiadhaich means wild. Fiadhaich. And ruitheas means run. He runs.
And Nuair was?
Nuair is when.
When. Okay.
So we will try it again in two parts. Nuair dòl, leis and t-sliabh.
Nuair dòl, leis and t-sliabh.
Fiadhaich arias e.
Fiadhaich arias e.
Yes. Okay. Right, this one is almost the same. Just the last word is different. So I will start here. Fiadhaich agus e.
Fiadhaich agus e.
Dh'fhalbhas.
That's it. So this is dh'fhalbhas, which also means go. It kind of means go away. And the rest you know. Okay, let's try all of it again. Nuair dh'fhalbhas t-sliabh.
Nuair dh'fhalbhas.
Sgiobalta aghalvas.
Sbhiadhaich dh'fhalbhas.
Okay.
Next one.
What happened to Katrina?
Hi, I'm back.
You're back, okay.
Had to move rooms,
Hiya.
and get connections, and I'm back.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, welcome back. Fanchiras. Okay, that's the last line. Dh'fhalbhas riamn.
Dh'fhalbhas riamn.
Riamn
And
Yeah.
iag.
Yeah.
Okay. Agus, aona, bhròg,
Agus, aona, bhròg,
Okay. So luath means fast, dh'fhalbhas as fast as, and fiadh means deer. Okay, as fast as deer. And means one, and bhròg means shoe, on him. Okay. Go as fast as deer with one shoe. Okay. Right,
So shoe is on the deer, not on him.
on him, of course, not on the deer.
Oh, I think it was on the deer when I read it.
Yeah,
fast
the
as-
English, I thought it was the deer with the shoe.
Well, actually, it could be the deer with the shoe. But obviously, deer don't wear shoes, so we'll presume it's doll.
In the song, they might. You never know.
Okay, so we will just do this one once more, and then we'll come out of the meeting, and you'll be listening to the music. Okay. Dh'fhalbhas riamn.
Dh'fhalbhas riamn.
Yeah.
Agus aona, bhròg,
Agus, aona, bhròg,
Clear.